Discovering the beauty of Italy. A journey through stunning landscapes and iconic cities. Italy is a country that has enchanted travelers for centuries with its rich history, breathtaking landscapes, world-renowned cuisine, and vibrant culture. Located in southern Europe, Italy offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and historical significance, making it a must-visit destination for any traveler. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the dramatic coastlines of the Amalfi Coast, and from the bustling cities of Rome and Milan to the serene lakes of the north, Italy is a place where every region tells a different story. In this long video, we'll dive deep into the wonders of Italy, exploring its diverse landscapes, historical cities, and the countless reasons why this country should be on every traveler's bucket list. 1. Rome. The eternal city. Italy's capital, Rome, is a city steeped in history, art, and culture. As one of the most iconic cities in the world, it offers a treasure trove of ancient ruins, Renaissance art, and a vibrant modern life. The Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Pantheon stand as magnificent reminders of Rome's imperial past. Walking through the city's cobblestone streets feels like stepping back in time. Visitors can explore the Vatican City, home to St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel, where Michelangelo's famous frescoes adorn the ceiling. The blend of ancient history and the lively modern-day Roman culture makes the city a unique experience for every traveler. 2. Venice. The floating city. Venice is one of Italy's most magical destinations. Built on a series of islands connected by canals, Venice offers a romantic and ethereal atmosphere unlike anywhere else. The Grand Canal, with its iconic gondolas and stunning palaces, is the lifeblood of the city. The famous St. Mark's Square, with St. Mark's Basilica and the Campanile Tower, provides a glimpse into Venice's glorious past as a powerful maritime republic. For those seeking a more serene experience, exploring the smaller, quieter islands of Murano and Burano offers a peaceful escape. Venice is a city that captures the heart with its unique charm and timeless beauty. 3. Florence. Cradle of the Renaissance. Florence, the capital of Tuscany, is often referred to as the birthplace of the Renaissance. The city is a living museum, with world-class art galleries, stunning cathedrals, and architectural wonders. The Uffizi Gallery houses masterpieces by Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Botticelli, while the iconic Duomo dominates the city's skyline. Beyond its artistic heritage, Florence is surrounded by the rolling hills of Tuscany, known for its vineyards, olive groves, and picturesque countryside. Visitors can explore nearby towns like Pisa, with its famous Leaning Tower, and Siena, known for its medieval architecture. 4. Tuscany. The quintessential Italian countryside. Tuscany is perhaps the most quintessentially Italian region, known for its beautiful countryside, vineyards, and charming hilltop towns. The region's landscapes are defined by rolling hills, cypress trees, and golden fields. It's a paradise for wine lovers, as the area is home to some of Italy's best wine regions, including Chianti. Towns like San Gimignano, with its medieval towers, and Montepulciano, known for its wine, offer a glimpse into Italy's rural charm. Tuscany's landscapes have inspired artists for centuries, and today, visitors can enjoy its beauty through vineyard tours, hot air balloon rides, and scenic drives. 5. Amalfi Coast. A dreamy coastal escape. The Amalfi Coast is one of Italy's most stunning coastal regions. Located in southern Italy, it's famous for its dramatic cliffs, turquoise waters, and charming seaside towns. The towns of Positano and Amalfi are known for their colorful houses that cling to the cliffs, offering breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. Visitors can drive along the famous Amalfi Coast Road, considered one of the most scenic drives in the world, or take a boat tour to explore hidden coves and beaches. The combination of sea, sun, and dramatic landscapes makes the Amalfi Coast a dream destination for travelers seeking beauty and relaxation. 6. Cinque Terre. Colorful cliffside villages. Cinque Terre, meaning 5 lands, is a stunning region of 5 colorful villages perched on cliffs along the Ligurian coast. Each village, Monterosso, Vernazza, Cornelia, Manarola, and Rio Maggiore, offers a unique charm with its colorful buildings, narrow streets, and breathtaking views of the sea. Hiking trails connect the villages, offering spectacular views of the rugged coastline and terraced vineyards. Visitors can also explore the region by train or boat, making it easy to experience the beauty of each village. 7. Lake Como. Serenity in the Italian Alps. Lake Como, located in the northern region of Lombardy, is one of Italy's most beautiful lakes. Surrounded by the majestic Italian Alps, the lake is a popular destination for those seeking tranquility and natural beauty. The lake's shores are dotted with charming villages like Bellagio, Varenna, and Menaggio, where visitors can enjoy stunning views, luxurious villas, and scenic boat rides. Lake Como is also a hub for outdoor activities such as hiking, cycling, and water sports. Whether you're exploring the lake's picturesque villages or relaxing in one of its elegant lakeside hotels, Lake Como offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. 8. Sicily. An island of ancient wonder. Sicily, the largest island in the Mediterranean, is a land of contrasts, with its rich history, diverse culture, and stunning natural landscapes. The island is home to ancient Greek ruins, including the Valley of the Temples in Agrigento and the ancient theater in Taormina. Mount Etna, Europe's highest active volcano, dominates the landscape and offers hiking opportunities for adventurous travelers. Sicily's coastal towns, like Cefalù and Syracuse, provide beautiful beaches and crystal-clear waters. The island's unique blend of Italian, Greek, Arab, and Norman influences can be seen in its architecture, cuisine, and culture. 9. Milan. The fashion capital. Milan, Italy's second-largest city, is a bustling metropolis known for its fashion, art, and design. The city is home to the iconic Milan Cathedral, Duomo di Milano, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, and the famous Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, one of the world's oldest shopping malls. Milan is also a cultural hub, with world-class museums like the Pinacoteca di Brera and Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper. For fashion lovers, Milan offers a glimpse into the latest trends and luxury shopping experiences in the world-famous fashion district, Quadrilatero della Moda. 10. Sardinia. A Mediterranean paradise. Sardinia is an island paradise in the Mediterranean, known for its pristine beaches, rugged mountains, and rich history. The island's coastline is dotted with white sandy beaches and crystal-clear waters, making it a top destination for beach lovers. The Costa Smeralda, in particular, is famous for its luxury resorts and glamorous lifestyle. Inland, Sardinia offers a more rugged and untouched landscape, with ancient ruins like the Nuragic complexes and charming hilltop villages. The island's unique culture, cuisine, and natural beauty make it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking both relaxation and adventure. Conclusion. Italy's timeless beauty. Italy is a country that has something for everyone. Whether you're exploring the ancient ruins of Rome, the romantic canals of Venice, or the rolling hills of Tuscany, Italy's beauty is undeniable. Its diverse landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture make it a perfect destination for travelers seeking adventure, relaxation, or a deeper connection to the past. For those who dream of breathtaking views, Italy offers a seemingly endless array of natural wonders, from its stunning coastlines to its majestic mountains. And for those drawn to history and art, Italy's cities are living museums, filled with masterpieces that have shaped the world. As you plan your journey through Italy, remember that every region has its unique charm, and the memories you create in this beautiful country will last a lifetime. So pack your bags, embark on this incredible adventure, and let Italy's landscapes and cities enchant you with their timeless beauty.